So this car, we still need to reseal the oil pan. We haven't done that yet. We have the sealant right here to get that taken care of. And we also have the oil. Now the cool thing about this is the fact that I need an oil change. So finding that the oil pan was leaking happened at the right time. But we're not gonna take care of any of that yet. You guys know a couple of videos ago, we found that we had a visitor in the ST. So right now we're gonna go check. It's been a couple days, actually. It's been like 3 or 4 days. It's rained a lot. So we're gonna check right now to see if we got anything in there. Hopefully we don't, because that actually would just be amazing. And then we're actually gonna move the ST today. We're actually gonna wash it. We're gonna try to give it like a whole, not restoration, right? But just a clean inside out, because it needs it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's see if we caught anything. I left this door open on purpose, because I know the battery is gonna die. And we have nothing on this side, right? Now, like always, I'll let you guys see before I do. I can't see, so you guys saw before I did, and nothing. All right, and it's been a couple days, so I'm assuming there's nothing in here. Let's go ahead and get this car started and let's move it. First, the worst part of it all is we have to set the trap off so that I can move it. So let's throw something at it. That's how it works, just in case you guys didn't notice. Dang. To this side. Sheesh. All right, we're gonna try this again. So we started this car, it was like last week, I believe. This didn't work because the battery was dead, right? Now I knew that the battery was gonna die again because of the fact that like I didn't drive it. I started it and drove it like not even a mile, bro. Like maybe a couple 100 feet or so. So we're gonna see by us starting it, maybe like it gave the battery some voltage, or like this can actually pick it up this time. If not, then we're gonna have to use jumper cables again. So we're gonna put one over here, and then we will put on, please work, because if not, I'm gonna have to go get jumper cables on another car, and it's just gonna be a whole, ow, that kind of hurt. And it's not gonna work. Nice. All right, and let's go ahead and do, almost. And this thing dead. It didn't even do this the first time. All right, let's do some adjustments. Typically, you just have to kind of move things around, get a little spark going. Let's try this again. Sheesh. Okay. Alright, let's see. What is this? 34 times the charm. There we go, baby. Whew. See, the thing about my cars is the idles don't be loud, but like they echo. Like I can't tell which idle is louder between the Z and the ST. I'm not too sure, but my thinking is like I don't want to turn this car off because we just jumped it, and I'm gonna have to jump it again when I have to bring it inside the garage, which I don't want to do that. But if I leave it on, like the echo just, I mean the idle just kind of echoes, so I'm not sure what to do. I was getting stressed out because I thought that this was like peeling the paint. Turns out it's just like something on there that I gotta scrape off. But I was getting stressed out, so like, dude, like, what the heck? But we're good. I had to turn the car off because it was way too loud. Like I could hear it from my place, right? So I was like, I don't know, I don't want to do that to the people here. So instead, I tried to plug up this thing to kind of use as a battery tender, but turns out it didn't work. So we're just gonna have to jump it again. This battery is shot. First wash in like 4 months, probably 5. And here we go for like the second time. Oh boy, we gotta get another battery. Okay, so hear me out. We have the ST running, but the reason why we have that running is because we got to move this car. In order to move this car, we gotta move that car out of the way, so we put this car in here. Now, how mad would you guys think my neighbors will be if we started this car too and both cars are running simultaneously? Oh, we gonna find out, baby. We gonna find out, unfortunately. And this car is definitely louder on a startup. Here we go, baby. Also needs gas, but we're not gonna talk about that. This car makes this car sound like a baby, dog. A straight baby. You can't even hear that car. Legit can't hear it. I promise you it's on though. Wow. Both my children running at the same time. I'm a happy dad. Now what's not funny is both of them need gas. Now here's the thing, I'll give you guys a little sound clip. Even though you guys know what it sounds like, I'm kind of doing this too for my personal enjoyment. We're gonna hear this car pop. And the thing is, it's gonna bounce off the building. It's gonna be loud, but it is what it is. Oh man, I miss this car. Now on a scale 1 to 10, how much do you guys think everyone hates me here? Wow, that is this is legendary, folks. Never has this ever happened. Crazy because the last time this car's been here was literally over a year ago. This was the first car that I parked in this garage when we moved to SoCal, and then of course after that car got here, this car got booted and the rest is history. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna wipe it off, and then we really need to clean the interior, dog, because like, yeah, this car is just it's kind of filthy. We got stuff in our cup holders, stuff in the doors. Let's take a look back here actually. I'm gonna show you guys what we saw last time. Ugh. Rat poop, and fool was eating the freaking towels and stuff. So we're just gonna clean. We're gonna clean all of this up. It needs to be cleaned. So I just tried to open the trunk, but again, the battery is so shot that it didn't even have enough juice to pop the trunk, right? But it had enough juice to turn on the dash lights. So I was like, maybe the jumper would actually work, because it sees that it actually isn't like dead, right? Plugged it up, it's actually working. So we have an... Wow, that was... That was so loud. Oh my goodness. Dog, I don't even know why these are back here. I haven't worn these in years, so let's throw those away. I'm gonna try to salvage some of these towels though. This one's not salvageable. Fool ate a hole right through it. I'm just glad that he did not eat a hole through my air lines going to the suspension, because that would have been so annoying. Yeah, that would have been just an unnecessary headache. So I'm just glad, least glad that he didn't do that. And just like that, this car is all clean. I even cleaned the engine bay. So it's all nice and clean. It's not like dusty anymore. We got the interior clean. Everything is spotless. There's nothing on the floors, nothing on the seats, nothing on the little side cubbies, nothing in the, like I said, the doors. Nothing. The only thing is there's a suction cup for the access port that I don't have up. I kind of put it up because obviously I'm not driving this car, so there's no reason for it to be displayed. But it's clean, guys. It's all clean. This car is clean, clean, and it actually is still holding a charge. So we will be able to jump it with this power pack, thank God. I even cleaned the trunk. I just can't open it because I closed it. You know, battery's not that strong. I can't open the trunk anymore, but yeah, man. It's all nice and clean. The doors are clean. This is the way it should be. It's just, you know, of course it got like how it was because, you know, I wasn't driving this car. When I was driving it, I was just like putting stuff in it and not taking it out. But yeah, man, she's all clean. You're good to go. It's actually funny because nobody is parking in my old spot. It's almost like they know that this was my spot. So out of respect, they're like not taking it because all the other spots here are taken up except for this. Well, look, this is all the leaves that were sitting underneath my car. Just caked on top of dirt. All right, let's go ahead and start this thing and park it. Let's see, is it gonna wanna work for me? Is it? Okay, that's just in the way. Is it gonna wanna work for me? Come on, come on. There we go, baby. All right, let's see if it's actually gonna start. Let's see if it's actually gonna start. Start for me, baby. Yes, sir. That thing works amazing when it works. Also, that is really loud. We're gonna go ahead and drive the Z to get some gas when we have no gas, and the gas station is about 1 or 2 miles. Hopefully we make it, cause sheesh. I feel like that's why this car is have a little trouble starting. So low on gas, it doesn't even tell me, okay, I get it, we need oil change. It's so low on gas that it doesn't even tell me how much I have until we run out. I never looked, but it looks like we get 12 miles to the gallon. Not that I care, but yeah, that's crazy. That's worse than some performance cars that have more horsepower than me. I'm not even listening to music because I gotta concentrate, dog. I do not want to run out of gas in this car because that would not be fun. I don't know why I even did this to myself. It's because I was on my way home and I knew I needed gas, but I didn't feel like stopping. So I was like, you know, I'm just doing it later. But when I got home, I was like, oh shoot, I should have stopped. All right, and I am happy to report that we have made it successfully. Of course, we got other modified cars here. Let's see, how much is E85 today? $2.89, baby, let's go. All right, folks, and this is all that I have for you. We are back at home, thank God, underrated blessing. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, stay safe, and stay tuned.
Whoa. Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball, I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic gotta say, I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life, I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like